Yo, what's going on, everybody? John Viet here. You guys can see, man, we're just getting another job, man. This is a big job that you're going to enjoy. We're turning on the water here. We're getting it going. We got our pressure washer set up. As always, link for everything that I own in the description. My pressure washer, my surface cleaner, all my pressure washing hose. Man, let's go ahead and speed it up and get it going. All right, so today's video, we are doing a full pool cage and pool deck for a 3-story house in Apollo Beach, Florida. Yes, that's right, a 3-story house. Funny story, when I pull up to the house, I'm sitting there knocking and I let the customer know that I was going to be on time. And I'm there for not even a few minutes, and the guy comes and, he's at the front door and he's like, wow, how long have you been there? I'm sorry, I was on my elevator. Like, that's crazy. Like, this guy's got an elevator inside of his house on the beach. And this job was very easy. Okay, I priced it right and I got a $50 tip. I was so happy. $50 tip. It was incredible. Okay. This pool cage, all you have to do is spray your thick layer of sodium hypochlorite and surfactant, which is like a soaping agent for your to make it cling on to the surface. Otherwise, if you're spraying just bleach, it won't stick as well, and just it'll take a little bit longer. You can see this pool cage goes all the way up. It was a massive pool cage, but we made it work. We've got our 25% soap spray right here. And let me know down below what you guys think of this style video. Do you like the POV on the head? I know it's a little bit weird. It's a little bit different, but smash the like button. Let's go ahead and try to get this video to 50 likes on this video if you guys like this style video. If not, we'll probably stay away from these style videos for a little bit and just go back to what you guys really like, and that's the driveway cleaning. My videos have been taking off, and it's so awesome to see you guys support me in so many different ways. If you guys haven't already checked out my Facebook advertising course, it's only $49, and we've got over 450 students enrolled now, and it's just kind of taking off in its own to where friends are sharing it with their friends and stuff like that. But what I've been focused on mostly is in my ad agency, 813 Agency. The number's 813agency.com, and that'll be linked below. But I've taken on so many awesome people to where they let me set up their Facebook advertisements, and then I give a 7-day free trial and to manage all of your Facebook advertising, no cost to you. Okay, so if you're interested in something like that, all you have to do is send over a text, as always, to 843-888-2371, and we'll go ahead and set up a free strategy call. If you're interested in maybe building your business and you don't really want somebody like myself to manage your Facebook ads, and I'm not pushing this at all, but you just kind of want to get some information, I do have the option to go ahead and book a consultation call for $75 for 30 minutes. Just send that over. Send me a text. Hey, I'm interested in a consultation call. And we'll go ahead and set that up. Maybe in the future, I'll create a link or something to where you guys can do that. But you guys can see we're just continuing to soap this until every nook and cranny is completely white, okay? We're just spraying on the SH. We've got 2.5 gallons worth of SH that we used on this job, so about $5 worth of bleach and a little bit of soap, and that's really all I had to do was just keep soaping it, and it just melts right away. The net here was very clean. It was just the white part, and you can see how big this house is. There's also a basement, so it's basically a 4-story house right on the beach with these massive boats. So it was time to take care of the house. Subscribe, please. If you haven't already, please subscribe. That helps me out so much. And you can see this deck needs it as well, but they weren't really interested in having the deck done. You got to check your phone, see if the phone's ringing. But so we're gonna go ahead and downstream all of the concrete right now, or whatever, the brick pavers. It's the same kind of mix. It's about a 70% mix, which is real hot. And you can see it's not even that dirty. But the biggest issue that I ran into on this job was all the leaves and all the dirt that kept just coming up. A thought just came to my head. Let me know if you like these commentary style videos. If necessarily not the POV style, but just the commentary where I go ahead and talk a little bit over the video. Let me know if you guys like it. Smash the like button. Let's get to 50 likes, okay? So you can see I'm just kind of, I started at the top, rinsed everything off, and then let all the dirt fall onto the concrete. And then we just finished the concrete and kind of, brush that off into the grass. It's very hard to do that because there was not a lot of drainage. If you've ever run into a drainage problem, you can't really fix something like that. It's just, you just kind of got to live with it and do the best you can. Of course, it's going to get into the pool, but you can always clean out the pool and be upfront and honest with your customers at all times and say, hey, stuff's going to get in the pool. Are you okay with that? If they're very like no against it, then you can upcharge for the extra time you're going to have to put in to either suck it all up or whatever you want to do. But I mean, I'm not really interested in doing something like that. So I'll just be upfront with the customer and let them know that stuff's going to get in the pool and they're going to be okay with that. And every pool owner has a little stingray running around. So it's just, fountains and all that. So we're hitting that with our big tip, man. It's basically all clean. The customer wanted me to do those dirty stairs right there. I tried it. It didn't really come up. The DeWalt wand, I love this wand. It's great for doing like soft washing and stuff like that. I didn't really like the shorter ones because all the water would bounce back, or when I would open up the gun, it would kind of pop back and almost hit me in the face. So I just, wasn't really into that. But this is how we do pool decks. All you have to do is spray it on and rinse it off. That's it. And a lot of you guys, a buddy of mine in my Facebook group said, I don't know if I want to do house washes yet. And buddy, this is how it is. It's super easy. Don't be afraid to get into washing houses. This is exactly start to finish, how to do a house and no issues. So enough of me talking. I'm just going to go ahead and roll the music, and I hope you guys enjoy the rest of this video. Just sit back, relax, grab your popcorn, and watch me do the entire rest of this pool cage. And in a second here, we're going to go ahead and dive into the surface cleaning, and here we go. All right, thanks for watching. Enjoy the rest of the video.